Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I just want to let you know that I am not gone. I did take that week off, but I still need a little bit more time. It has been really hectic and busy over unpacking at my new place. I am still at the old place too because I have a lot of cleaning and stuff to do there. I will not be fully moved out until November, but all of my videos will be done at the new place. I will be doing a tour of the whole entire house and this new salon. I'm super excited about that. But I've also got a head cold. I'm getting over a head cold, so it's just been really hectic. I apologize I haven't been to any of your guys' channel to watch your videos. I will be back, but like I said, I'm in the middle of a move. Like I said, but not completely until November. All the videos will be done here now, so hopefully I will be back next week. But I love you guys very much. Thank you for being patient, and I will be back better than ever. So everybody take care, God bless, and remember to always keep it keto.